Hello guys, in this video I will solve battleships in a board from Leetcode. So in this problem we are given a 2D board which contains empty cells and battleships in it. Each battleship is either placed horizontally or vertically, and each of these battleships is at least separated with one cell from other battleships. So, and the question here is how many battleships are on the board. But the real challenge comes in follow-up, where we are suggested to solve this problem just in one pass using uh, 0 big O from 1 extra memory, and solve this problem without modifying the value of the board. So the idea of solving this problem is very simple. We will just iterate over the board, and for each battleship, we will just count only its last cell. So, for example, in the first example, for the first battleship, we see that it's the last cell of this battleship because it's the only cell. So we will count it, and for the second battleship, mm, we see that this cell contains a cell below it, and this cell contains a cell below it. So for the two upper cells, we won't increment our counter, but for the last cell, we will increment our counter. We will check. We can check that there is no cells below it, or there is no cell on the right side of it. So we will need count, which is initially 0, and then we'll iterate over this board. First, we will check if board ij is if the cell is empty. Then we will continue. If I is less than board size minus 1, um, no, if I is equal to board size minus 1, and no, no, sorry, if I is less than board size minus 1, and if board I plus 1 j, so it means the cell below this the current cell, if it's also a part of this battleship, then we will continue, and the same for the cell below it. So j plus 1, and j is less than board 0 size minus 1. Then we will increment our counter and return it as a result. Let's check the solution. Okay, it was accepted. Guys, please subscribe to my channel. Ask me to solve any other Leetcode problems. I will make videos of solving them and explaining them. And thank you for watching this video.